We had a group called, which was dealing with landmines, a group called, we called them engineers. Those engineers dealt with mines. They were experts in that field. Whereas we were also experts in our fields of reconnaissance and all those fields which we were assigned to do.
En dan maak hulle hierdie snaakse ladings wat ons ook onder geboet het op 'n stadium, wat SWAPO teen ons gebruik het.
So you wanted something that can take out a hippo. And that we did effectively to the extent that they had to change from a hippo completely, phase it out, and then introduce a new type of equipment. And then because of the threat of mines, they also realized that some type of vehicles were not even safe. So they built a Casper, and then later also a Wolf.
In reaction to the challenges in the field, South Africa's arms developed in leaps and bounds. Scientists like Vernon Joint devoted all their time to finding solutions. Landmines were a major problem. The answer was the Casper, which is used to this day in wars like the one in Iraq. At the time, the guerrillas found it a hard nut to crack.
Of course, also they deployed later on the Kufut with the Caspers.
Caspers were armoured, mine-protected troop carriers Joint and his team originally developed for the police unit Kufut.
Of course, in the first time when we met the Caspers, it was difficult for us we had to adjust in order for us to be able to deal with the Caspers, because we had to increase our anti-transport weapons in terms of the RPG-7 and also rockets on the rifles, which we got from Yugoslavia, and they were very effective against the Caspers. Of course, the Caspers also, when they had these mine-resistant vehicles, we also devised tactics and means to blow them up. We doubled our mines.
Minefields and anti-personnel mines were a constant risk.
This is what we did. In all those ways which we knew South Africa could pass, we could plant landmines to delay them. And those mines could also use as signals, because once they detonate a landmine, we know that, aha, there they are coming. But our strategy was also very, very complicated, because if we plant one mine here, we will plant another one somewhere there. If they happen to, oh, this one has detonated the landmine, let's pass the other way. Oh, okay, there's another there, oh, let's pass the other way. So the whole convoy could get finished without